Hi guys! So, today's video, gagawin ko na yung pinangako ko dun sa last video ko when I used a full face, when I used Fashion 21 Cosmetics to do a full face glam makeup. Sabi ko doon, I'm going to do a wear test on this one, yung kanilang Ultimate Cover BB Cream plus Concealer together with their lip and cheek gel, and at the same time, yung kanilang double up mascara. But, by the way, I already did my brows to save time. Pero parang gusto ko nag-exempt from this wear test, itong double up mascara, because I've been using this for the past couple of days, actually for a week, and na-test ko na siya and masasabi ko na this is so good, like so good. It gives your lashes volume and length na alam mo yun, mahalata mo talagang may difference. It has a different formula kasi kapag winash mo na yung face mo, matatanggal siya, pero parang siyang rubbery, something like that, and I don't mind it at all. It's really different from, you know, the mascaras I use gaya ng sa Maybelline, and I think I'm at the point where I can say that this one is better than Maybelline. I swear, I really love this. I fell in love. I'm gonna repurchase kapag naubos na siya, and I highly recommend that you try this. Without further ado, let's go into the wear test. I'm going to apply na this one. Oh, by the way, I got the shade number 1 kasi yung shade number 2 it sort of kind of matched me, pero it's like a little shade darker. Kasi makikita ko talaga yung difference in person. On camera, hindi nyo nakita yung difference, but in person, it's a shade darker. So I got shade number 1. I wore this yesterday and I liked it, pero hindi ko siya binantayan yesterday, so I'm gonna wear it today and babantayan natin siya. Alright guys, I found out that the best way to apply this is using your fingers. Like if you want the coverage, use your clean fingers. By the way, medyo weird yung setup ko because I don't have a tripod, so nakapatong lang kayo sa kung ano-anong mga anik. So that is one thin layer. Now I'm gonna cover up that freaking blemish. By the way, it's a shade 1. It is lighter, and then pati yung concealer, it's also lighter compared to the shade number 2. So let me just... Parang ayoko tong concealer na to. Let's try it under eyes. So I'm going to use the concealer under my eyes, dito sa side nito, but dito sa side nito, I'm not going to use it because I'm not really a fan of the concealer. I don't know. So I'm going to set my face, and gagamitin ko na rin yung Fashion 21 two-way powder, two-way cake with papaya extract and SPF 35, but I'm just going to set my face very, very light. That's super light, I swear. So before I contour and highlight, gamitin muna natin tong lip and cheek gel. Let's see if it's gonna set really fast. Yep, it's gonna set super fast kasi ayan o. So we have to be very, very careful in applying it to cheeks and then blend right away. That's okay na. Sa camera parang light pa siya, but in person it's like a blush. I'm going to use this one for my lips. Oh, this color is nice. May shade ba to? I have the shade number 2. Try nga natin using it directly. So I'm just gonna contour and highlight, and then I will show you the finished product after. So as you can see, nagka-crease na itong under eyes ko. With concealer, without concealer, but it has nagka-crease. But the rest of my face is so good, and it matches. Like legit matches. Hey guys, so it's 3:05 already, and foundation check. Everything is good. I've oiled up sa nose area ko, pero lagi naman nangyayari yun with all the foundations that I use. But the rest of my face is still okay. That is it though. I'm home. Tapos hey guys, so just quick update on my foundation. Kitang-kita na yung mga zits ko. Oh my god. Malapit na yata ako magkaroon. But, so far, hindi pa naman ako bonggang-bonggang nag-oil up. Okay pa yung dito ko. Yung nose ko, super duper oily na. And, you know, it's always like that. Oily talaga yung nose ko. Nagki-crease talaga. Nagki-crease talaga sa ilalim ng under eyes, as you can see. Now, for my lips, kakatapos ko lang kumain ng sinigang na baboy. And, okay na okay pa siya. In fairness. Okay, so next thing na gagawin ko, I'm gonna clean up our room because it's so dirty. So, for sure, mapapawisan ako ng bonggang-bongga. So, let's see kung ano ang fighting chance ng aking foundation. And by the way, yung sa cheeks ko, it's still there. Obviously. So I'll come back for my next update after me cleaning up. Hey there guys, so honestly, alam niyo ako ng oras na. It's like 2 AM. Tomorrow na ako gagawa ng review, mag-film ng review of my overall thoughts because I'm so tired. So tired and I'm so sleepy. So let's move on to the next day. Hey guys, it's already the next day, and as you can see, I have a super duper plain face, and I'm using the natural light from the window. I hope you don't mind. Wala akong proper lighting setup right now, and God, the last clip that you saw was probably me last night, and it looked awful. Like, it looked so bad. So for this last part of the video, I want to take you with me as I get ready. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be, but I just really want to share to you guys how I make myself look cute. But to make this faster, hindi na ako magsasalita, magtutuloy-tuloy lang ako, and I'm just gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use. So
consciousness aimed at me. So bored by your delirious fantasies. You see enemies at every turn. So long as you're winning, you'd let the whole world burn. Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out. Get out.
So it's time for me to say my review about Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer. You probably know what I'm gonna say, but this is so good. So good. So affordable and so good. Like this... Okay, mag-pros muna tayo. It's very natural looking if blended properly in a moisturized skin. Buildable medium to full coverage. I have a very oily T-zone, pero hindi siya nakaka-promote ng pag-oil up ko. Well, that's based on my experience. It's easy to blend. It's better to use your fingers if you want a, full coverage, if you want to cover your acne, your blemishes and all that. Yung mga flat acne or yung mga let's say small bumps, kaya-kaya niyang i-cover. But if you have like really huge pimples, like reddish and alam mo yun, namamaga talaga, well, of course, medyo may hirap akong gamitin to. But this is very good for everyday wear. You can use it parang sheer lang, just to even out your skin tone, para mukha ka lang, alam mo yun, fresh and good skin day. Or you can build this up to a full coverage para magamit mo siya in an event. I used this in an event and it lasted for a very long time given na sinet ko siya with the powder. By the way, this powder is also good. This too is like a good combo. But if you want it to look more natural, syempre kailangan mo mag-setting spray. And when I say setting spray, not really like the makeup setting spray, but any facial mist lang would do. I love the formula, I love the coverage, I love the longevity. It smells like moisturizer na hindi girly smell na moisturizer, if you know what I mean. I don't know what else to say, but I highly recommend you to try this. So those are the pros. Now, the cons. Una sa lahat, this concealer is useless. I don't like this concealer. It creases in my under eyes. It has a thick consistency. You can probably use it as a foundation, but it's very thick. I don't like it. So sana syonggalin niyo na lang yung concealer na, tapos mag-focus na lang po tayo sa BB cream. Ano po? Fashion 21, no? And then what else? Shade range. This is shade 1 and it matches me perfectly. Yung shade 2, it's just tiny bit darker than shade 1. Yung shade 3, hindi ko sure kung gaano siya ka medium, ka morena feels, or ka, deep skin tone type, because I didn't purchase it. Pero feeling ko, para sa mga mas paputi pa sa akin, wala kayong maharap na shade. At para dun sa mga morena to deep skin tone, medyo may hirapan kayo. So please, Fashion 21, this is a very, very good product, but you have to release more shades. Like a wide variety of shade, because this is so promising. I really enjoyed this and it really worked sa akin. Well, that's based on my experience. But I hope to God you find a shade that's perfect for you. Alright, next product that we're going to discuss is itong lip and cheek gel. And nakita nyo naman sa wear test, you guys, this lasted a very, very long time on my lips. Kumain ako, uminom ako, it lasted for a long time. But meron siyang pros and cons. The pros being is super duper long lasting asha. And when it comes to longevity and the pigment and the tint, this is really very good. But if you have dry lips, if you have chappy lips, I don't think this is good for you, because it's like a tint tattoo na pag nilagay mo sa lips mo, parang ina-absorb siya ng lips mo. That's why it's very long lasting. So if you have dry lips, if you have chapped lips, I think hindi siya magbumukhang okay sa lips mo. And then syempre may mga times na it's gonna crack because they're gonna take out the dry skin on your lips. So if you want to use this, if you want to try this, if you want another reliable lip tint for you, you better moisturize your lips bago mo gamitin to, because this is really intense. By the way, yung in-apply ko yesterday was a full pack on layer. Hindi siya yung parang nilagay ko lang sa gitna and then I just spread it out. At first I did that, and then I just applied full pack on my lips. Yun ang pinaka-effective way para maging long-lasting siya. But when it comes to being a cheek tint, medyo mahirap siya, bes, kasi ang dali niyang matuyo. Tapos, a little goes a long way. Sobrang pigmented niya na pag hindi ka sanay mag-liquid or mag-cheek tint, you're gonna hate this kasi nga ang dali niyang matuyo. So, ang kailangan mong gawin, ilagay mo muna siya dito, or pag nilagay mo ng diretso dito, you have to spread it right away. And if you're wearing a creamy foundation, medyo may hirapan kang i-blend yun kasi this is gel. I think this is good if you have just a moisturizer on your face and nothing else. Pero if you have foundation, cream foundation or creamy liquidy foundation, baka masira nito yon. So this is good. So in total, this is good as a lip tint, but not so much as a cheek tint. So what else can I say? Basically, that's it. I really enjoyed this wear test. And masasabi kong successful siya. I love this. This too is like phenomenal. So what else? I guess that's it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Follow me on all my social media accounts, all the links down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.